Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Ultra Sun and Moon on PC. First, you'll need an emulator. Citra is a well-known Nintendo 3DS emulator that runs on various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Head to the official Citra website and download the most recent stable build. This ensures you have the best performance and compatibility for your game. Install it like any other program on your computer. Next, you'll need the actual game files for Pokémon Ultra Sun or Ultra Moon. It's important to use legitimate copies of your games. You can extract these files from your own Nintendo 3DS cartridges using specific tools and software. Once extracted, these files will usually be in A, 3DS or CIA format. Transfer these game files to a convenient folder on your PC, ready for the emulator to access them. With Citra installed and your game files ready, open the emulator. Go to the configuration settings to set up your controls. You can map keyboard keys or connect a gamepad for a more authentic experience. Also, explore the graphics settings. You might need to adjust resolution or internal rendering to balance visual quality with performance on your specific computer. Finally, navigate to File and Load File to select your Pokémon game. Now you're all set to embark on your Pokémon adventure. Remember to save your game regularly within the emulator, just as you would on a physical console, to avoid losing progress. If you encounter any issues or want to enhance your experience, many online communities and forums offer valuable tips and troubleshooting advice. Also, for those looking to upgrade their home tech, be sure to check the description below for some fantastic smart speaker deals and other great offers. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.